In this video, we are going to see geometry shades.
So whenever we bringing any parts also, and we want to control the shading of the models. Okay. So how we can control it? Let me open some file. I'm taking one file, model. In which unit you want to work it. Okay. When you bringing any part, you can set the unit here, mm, centimeter, meter, inches. Okay. I'll take it meter. Okay. And nothing else to be changed and do okay. So this is a file from IGS format I having. Okay. So IGS format and other format that supported formats, we can bring it to the software. Now, right, this part is there. If we're having a solid body like this and I want to change my shadings view, I want to see that how the model will be there, all the edges and everything. So you can change either from here or you can go to views. Okay. Or that will be available in views. Okay. Here. Geometry, shades, and we can take it from here. Okay, by default, we are seeing the model with edges, but you want to see the shading view, you can see the model with the shading like this. Or you want to see with the wireframe view, you can see the wireframe view. That part is remain there. That way, read that part. So this is how you can view or directly change it from here.